Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by checking prerequisites: Android version, carrier support, and that you have the contact's number. Once done, unlock the phone and go to Settings. Type Emergency in the search bar if needed. Tap Safety and Emergency or Lock Screen and Security. This is where Android keeps SOS controls. You do this now so the system can link a number to the emergency call action. Make sure location and permissions are enabled. They let first responders get useful context. Once inside Emergency Settings, tap Emergency SOS or Emergency Contacts. This screen manages the numbers used during an SOS call. Select Add Contact, then pick a person from your contacts list or type a number manually. You may see options to send SMS or share real-time location. Enable them if you want automated alerts. Make sure you grant call and messaging permissions when Android asks. Otherwise, the SOS action won't reach anyone. Double-check the saved number for typos. Now you test the setup. Use the device's SOS button sequence. Press power 5 times or follow your model's method, and cancel before it actually calls to confirm behavior. If the test doesn't trigger alerts, make sure call and SMS permissions are allowed, and that your carrier supports emergency callbacks to stored contacts. Once done, restart the phone and try again. If it still fails, remove and re-add the contact. A final tip: ensure Do Not Disturb rules allow emergency alerts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.